Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and today I am presenting this video for telling about the demo about my project which I am submitting on PL Genesis Modular Worlds Hackathon. So firstly let's go through the problem statement. So this is the problem statement, nouns frontend immutable inus. So let's just talk about this. So I'm searching on this hackathon and there are bunch of problems. So I've chosen the nouns. Now let's just go to the my project, which like what is about. So I've created Nouniverse. So it's about the nouns DAO ecosystem. So I've created this front end. So firstly, let's just talk about the home page. So I've made this home page like this is the 3D effect which I've used from Sketchfab. Like I have integrated on on my platform. So there's the iconic noggles for the nouns, which are like very unique. So and like this is explore the Nouniverse. So let's enter to our Nouniverse. So let's enter. So this is the auction house. So let me tell you about Nouns DAO. So Nouns DAO is a unique, iconic project for the NFT and DAO space. So every single day, there's a NFT which gets auctioned on the Ethereum. So it's just not about art. When you own this noun, so you hold the voting power on the DAO. So like holding power for the voting, which basically means to vote for the projects, community funds, and to carry on the DAO ecosystem and like to help others. So this ecosystem is basically generate to this noun DAO ecosystem was generated just by like ownership equals to participation. Now, what participation do I mean? So there are proposals in the nouns DAO. So let me take you the proposals, like the form of ideas. So like there are bunch of proposals like anyone could vote against for. So like just go to the active part. So there are bunch of proposals that are active and you can vote or you can vote for it or you can vote against for it. So this is the nouns DAO. Nouns DAO. So for my problem statement, they have recommended for the settings to be like for the user to switch between the Ethereum and the graph endpoint. So this data is coming from the graphs. So I'll just tell you about it. So these are like nouns and noun sepolia. For the testing part, I'm using the noun sepolia, but now I've completed shifted to the nouns mainnet. So the site of the project is only the mainnet. So data is coming from this queries. So you can see. So here it is. Spans like all these things. So let's just go to the Nouniverse. Now let's go to the control house. So the control room where you can display your name, email, your bio, and everything. Now let's just connect my wallet. Let's just connect, and it's get connected to my address.
So this is my like the wallet address, and you can here see any name, and you can enter your email address and the bio as well. So there's the wallet connection, like how much ETH you have, like now zone, and I also created the notification, auction updates, proposals, community news, and appearance, like darker, and the auto which you have on the system yours, like and the nouns, cyber, like some of the fields, warm earth, pollution. That's it. Like also if you want some contrast in your like these, you can see like I don't prefer. Uh, so like in the last, it's the network which is the required settings for my project. So here you can switch between your like you require both of these, but you can like change yours Ethereum RPC endpoint and the Graph API endpoint uh, for Nouns data queries and Ethereum like RPC endpoint block for Ethereum blockchain interactions. So you can test them. You can use like one or like one another. So this is it. And if you want a detailed implementations about my project, so I do recommend like go to my like this GitHub repo. I have created the documentation for my projects, like all the file structure. Also, I've created the README file, which is like well structured, and I've all provided the file structure and all the implementation part as well. So also in the at last I will just I haven't shown you this security settings because I am working solely. So if any fellow developers who wants to like make some feature about it, so like do contact me. I have also some ideas, so we could discuss. Like we could make this project a great if we collaborate. So that's it. And at last, I would just like to thank all the mentors from the PL Genesis Modular World Hackathon, personally like Volky and Oxdusk. So these mentors like helped me like resolving the errors as well. Also, I would like to thank Vinayak Kalra, founder of Kai Foundry, and Sahil Thakur sir. Uh, which is the CEO, who is the CEO of Blocksy Blogs. So they have conducted a workshop for 3 days workshop. So earlier on, I haven't like much of the ideas about these problem statements. I don't know like what to create on which problem statement which I should create. So attending these workshops like really helped me. So also Sahil sir have like openly helped me out like for the resources, and they have connected me to the mentors as well. So that's it from my side. So thank you. And like one last thing, to like please do like my GitHub. Thank you.